La ngisebenza khona angiqukuli into ezisindayo. Angimbi futhi imgudi. Ngiyakhuluma nje. Kodwa into engibuye ngiyikhathela izolo. The ngiyaphumula la, ngiyacambalala ngavele ngazizumeka kwaze kwasekuseni. Ngiqoke nje ngoba ungibona nje. Bese ngicabanga ingane zabantu Nkosi ezimbi imgudi nezimali zeliyoshona. Shwele baba. Angikho ke lapho. Wengane kasisi ngifuna ke siqwashisane nje ngezinto ezimbili la. Eyokuqala ile ethi God will never fight for you. Kuma battles that yena has trained you to fight. Never. Uyokhuleka koze kubuye inkomo emadlelweni. Ngoba uequippile. Okwesibili lokho ukuthi the first person you should listen is you before us. Yabona kulokho kokuqala engikhulume ngakho. Mina ke ngithi ngifike ngikutrain wena. Ngikutrain ngikunika konke ama techniques and tactics okubhekana neopponent yakho. Mase sewubhekene neopponent yakho, siphi isidingo sokuthi mina ngikulwele phela ngoba ngikuqeqeshile. Kuzomela ngibuke mina. Ngoba mina ngilindele ukuthi ukhiphe lezi zinto engikuqeqeshe ngazo. Okwesibili, don't listen to us more than you should listen to yourself. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingilelo changes akasho ukuthi ngenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka nje phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Ake ngiqale lephuzu leli lokuqala. Yabona bafethu kufuneka ukuthi sibuye sisebenzise logic, uyezwa? Umuntu usuke esho ukuthini mayithi yena I will do my best and then God will do the rest. Khona abantu abangawenzi nalowo best. Ubest wakho udinga wena kumele wenze ubest and then God will do the rest. Khona izinto ezingayidinga divine intervention eyidinga wena. Awungitshele nje. Khona ama practical steps and processes ukuthi wathatha wa-execute ukuze ube fit emzimbeni wakho ube healthy. Uyazi ukuthi yini emele uyenze. Kodwa wena ungakhuleka uthi Nkosi ngicela umzimba ofit, ngicela umzimba ohealthy, Nkosi ngicela ukuba shaped. Don't you know the practical process? Ngabe siyeza ubukhuluma indaba ukuthi wena we have done what you have to do. Uyile gymini uyavuka wenza konke kumele ukuthi ukwenze udla healthy but still things are not happening. Ngabe siyezwa manje you have not done you want God to do the best for you and also do the rest and then when we are chilla nje uphuli. Izinto ayishintshe umkhuleko la. Izinto zishintshe ukuthi wena as much as ukhuleka but do what you have to do. Umuntu une feminine and masculine energy. If when you will only exercise the feminine energy and then not the masculine, or you exercise the masculine not the feminine, ngeke izinto isebenza. Ukuthi uyafisa awusho ukuthi wenzile. Ukufisa nje. Uyabona thina spiritually awaken esaziyo. Ithina esaziyo ukuthi impilo zethu zikule level ezikuyona ngenxa yethu. Action and reaction. Action esawufakile nesawenzile ulingana nereaction esitholayo. If we want something greater now, we have to get out of our comfort zone and be a great and elevate and then move to the next step. Yabo? Siyakwazi lokho ukuthi you have to break the boundaries. You have to like kumele ukuthi uphume kule level okuyona. Kumele ukuthi uqeqeshe umqondo wakho ukuthi ungayisabi challenge. Kumele wenze izinto kumele ukuthi uzenze. Siyazi ukuthi impilo yomuntu uyena one control over yona. Impilo yakho wena one control over yona. Ungalinge ucabanga ukuthi wena ukhomba bathakathi, ukhomba ukuthi ubhedelwa isibongo, ukhomba zonke izinto. As much as kukhona obathakathi, ukhona obhedelwa isibongo, kukhona omabhadi, as much as ngeke ngize ngiphilise kulezo zinto it's fine. But asibuyele la kuwe. Wena wenzeni wena? Wenzeni wena? Have you done your best? Impumelela inetha njengemvula. Khona abantu abafuna ukuenjoy ama benefits angalingani ne-action bona abayithathile. Umthetho okuvumi lokho, law of polarity. Wena if you think you're gonna enjoy the benefits angalingani ne-pain that you have enjoyed, that you have gone through, can you just become a teacher and now you are enjoying all the benefits without you going through lokungani indaba ukuthi ufunde wenze zonke izinto emele uzenze? Shuthi ma u-enjoya manje you have to pay later, and if you pay later you pay with an interest. That's the law. Khona abantu abakutshela kahle ukuthi mina njengoba ungibona ngi-enjoya le mali, ngi-enjoya ngalezi imoto, ngiyijezele lonto ngoba ngayiboshelwa. Ukungcole engakwenza ngagwetshwa, ngajezela lokho. Njengoba ungibona sengitamasa nje sengaphuma. Siyabo sengilanda imali yami la ngangigqibe khona noma la ngangifihle khona ngakujezela lokho. I went through the pain. Nabanye abahla badecide ukuthwala, they went through the pain of that and they know, you know what I have to do mina to enjoy this. But even though we know those people are spiritually broken, but at least they have what you want and do what you have to do. Khona umuntu otshethe imali angiyiboni ishonaphi, imali idliwa zilwane, imali this and. Have you ever do a budget when? Have you ever tracked your spending? Do the best. Best uwakho ulele kuwe. Don't put God la ngangeni khona. Don't put madlozi la ngangeni khona. Wena do the practical steps. Let us be logical ukuze singadlali inyanga nabafundisi laba bayizikemo. Let us be logical. Wenzeni wena? Khona izinto ezidinga i-divine intervention. Zikhona lezo. Yabona njengokuthi nje umuntu la akhona kuyavutha, mhlawumbe abone sekuvutha kodrop, mhlawumbe kunento enjalo, sidinga i-divine intervention. Kodwa kunezinto ezidinga wena nje. Yabo uthola ukuthi umuntu yabo ufocus ekulokhu. Kunezinto ezinye yazi ukuthotha omunye umuntu akawuthola umsebenzi, yena ufocus ekutheni athola umsebenzi, akaboni yena futhi akazi ukuthi kunento emela ilungise ngala ukuze athole lokho ngala. Thola ukuthi nje bekudinga ukuthi nje abe spiritually mhlambe consistent entweni ayenzayo. Bekumele mhlambe ugcina ngokusilalela nje, akayenzi into ekumele ukuthi le ayilalelayo akayenzi. Bekumele abuya yenza akayenzi. Uthola ukuthi omunye indlela yakhe yakwi financial liberation ihamba ekuthenini yena akabe investor, akafunda abe ne financial literacy noma aka budget. Uthola ukuthi uhambo lwakhe lubheke ngala, luthi akaqala enze lokhu ukuze athole lokhu akulindele yena. Sometimes i-fruit liba ngala kwesihlahla kodwa wena kumele unyuke la kwi-stem. Sometimes wena ufocusa kwi-end goal angabe ufocusa kwi-process. Let us be practical. Awukho automatic la empilweni. When you have to do the work. Ngafaka uGod la ngangene khona umuntu uphiliswa zinqumo zakhe. Ngathatha ibhodlela latshwala ulifake la wena bese usitshela ukuthi awazi ukuthi impilo iba messy kanjani. Iba messy kanjani. Be practical. Be practical. Umuntu is spirit and body and mind. Wena musu ucabanga ukuthi you will only do what is spiritual and then practically, physically you don't do the work. uNkulunkulu ngeke akulwele into wena equiphile ukuthi uyenze, ukunikile ingqondo. Buka ipattern ukuthi indaba, what is it that is keeps on repeating in my life? Look at the pattern. Last point ile ethi ukuze ungadideki nathi last point. Bafethu sibaningi la ku social media siyakhuluma. Singakhuluma izinto kwesinye isikhathi ezibuye ishayisana. Into emeli uyazi la sikufundisi siyashare. We are sharing our own opinions, we are sharing our own intuitions and our own gut feelings and all of those things. But ekugcineni umuntu uwena omele ukuthi uthathe lokho kuhambelana nawe. Ngingasho into mina ishayisana neyomunye. Wena thatha lokho kuhambelana nawe ngoba amadlozi ethu awafani. Yezwa? I-consciousness ethi ayifani, uhambo lwethu alifani. Thatha lokho kuhambelana nawe. Mina ngiyena umaster empilweni yakho. Umaster empilweni yakho wena. Uma ukuthi wena ukhule noma wena uzizwa ukuthi yabona ngisho umuntu ohlabayo la akufuneki ukuthi alalele mina bese ayayeka ukuhlaba. Yena kumele ukuthi asebenzise ilogic bese ezumoya wakho ukuthi uvumelana nani. Yes. Uma ukuthi into ngathi mina into mingakusave iyeke. Uma ikuseva into akumele ulalele mina ukuthi ngithi iyeke mina. Wena thatha lokho kuhambelana nawe. Asibone uNkulunkulu bakho thina, wena uNkulunkulu wakho. Ngaleyo ndlela ngicela ukuthi danko.